for a floor finish that is durable, attractive, and easy to maintain, consider concrete polished floors.
My name's Peter, and I'm the general contractor on site for this job. We purchased this building in August and hired Roman's company, Concrete Your Way, to come in and take a look. So he came in, we did a full consultation. They gave us their bid price. It was very, very competitive. And I liked Roman from the start. He seemed to know what he was doing. He mentioned lots of projects, showed me lots of pictures, guaranteed the quality and that he could do it in a specific timeline. I decided to choose Roman over previous people that had done work for us to give him a try based on our conversation. He showed us some pictures of what he'd done in the past. It looked really good to us. He told us the entire process from beginning to end, so there's no surprises. And as you can see behind me, it came out great. There was 4 drain systems that they completely covered for us. I mean, I can't be any happier with the finish.
There is a range of finishes available that will offer varying degrees of polish, so you may choose how matte or glossy you would like the floor to be. This is often the most cost-effective, long-term floor solution on the market.
The plant had several cracks, being an old building built in the 60s, and some of them were larger than others. And in fact, they sealed the entire floor with the Mapei product and make sure that every single crack was filled. It looks like a concrete product. It is a concrete product, super strong, and the floor looks great. It just looks like something was filled in, and it's not a problem. So Concrete Your Way, again, did a great job. This is the racking area. We had them come in and they were kind enough to grind around the racks for us without removing the entire racking system. So they did everything by hand. It looks fantastic. He was kind enough to point out that his company also sprays walls and ceilings, and if we're interested in having that done. You can see from the ceilings that it came out fantastic. We couldn't be happier with the finish. I would recommend Concrete Your Way for any floor polishing solution you need.
Our healthy and affordable non-slip floors naturally enhance the beauty of your room. Polished concrete, epoxy flooring, concrete staining and repair, and industrial spray painting services are just a few of the commercial and residential services we specialize in. Please contact us to estimate your upcoming project cost. Visit our showroom at Improve Canada, Canada's largest home improvement center.